Hello, welcome to another episode. Today hopefully I will install the engine for the last time. I'm waiting on some parts from Summit, the spacer for the flex plate to bolt the torque converter in. So yeah, what I'll do today, before I get the parts and remove the engine, I want to make a spacer for these bolts. As I previously mentioned, the car had a big block, so it's a little bit shorter than the small block we're fitting. So I just need to make sure I've got some spacer, got some automotive grade bolts, so I think 10.9 is what they're called. And I think for spacers, at least temporarily, I'm going to use these. I'm going to cut them to the right size and put them there between the plate and the chassis. Only temporary, but it should be strong enough. So I'll do these spacers first, make sure they fit nicely, and then I'll start removing the engine, prepping it, making sure I got all the parts, and then it will be finally going in for the last time, and I can start bolting everything in, radiator, all the electrics. Yeah, one step closer to getting the car started. So I've cut the bolts to the right thickness, so they're threaded. So what I'll do is I'll thread bolt through here. I've also got the full thread bolts because these are part thread, and this should do the job nicely. Fingers crossed. Here's so cold in East Anglia, it's -2, so it's freezing, but I just want to get this done as quick as I can. I just want the car running really. So, engine out, made a mess with the transmission fluid. Should have put the seal before, so I'll put the seal, so hopefully it doesn't leak as much. But yeah, now it's out. I'll take the transmission off the engine, start removing the flex plate, and then yeah, wait for the parts. Transmission is out, flywheel too. So I'm just gonna give a little clean here, and then wait for the shims. They're supposed to go around here. So, and then behind the flex plate. Right, so I've got the engine and transmission fully bolted on, torqued with the right spec. So the torque converter is properly secured to the flex plate. So now I just need to drop the engine in the car, made a gasket and put a block off plate for the fuel pump. Yeah, a little messy here, almost there. So finally managed to install the engine permanently. It wasn't easy, especially because I'm doing it by myself and I never put an engine in a car. So this is a first for me. So I've used these nuts, spacers. I think they're fine, they should be okay. I can always change them later. So the engine is bolted through the front plate here, then the mid plate, and then through the transmission cross member. The engine looks a little bit to the right, but it's actually looks like it's centered. And yeah, I'm very pleased, extremely pleased. And now on the next episode I will start bolting all the auxiliaries, pulleys, radiator, probably the front end as well, so that it's gonna start to look like a car again. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please put a like. Thank you.